Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757. You know how I get down to get straight to the point, using a little nifty tool. If you're fighting with radiator hoses and fuel lines, anything rubber hoses, and you know they're hard as crap to get off, this nice little tool that I have right here, I'll put it in the description when the video comes out. You put it between where you're trying to separate it from, and then you just hit it like that. See, I'm squeezing it, and it moves the hose right back for you. You just keep doing it until the hose comes completely off. I'm doing it one hand, so it's a little hard for me. But as you can see, it's already separated. Very easy. But I'm doing it with one hand. If I had two hands, I can grab it and pull it back with the tool. But anyway, it really helps a lot because these hoses on this fuel pump is extremely tight. This is just a little mechanic tip to show you how to make your life a lot easier depending on what you are doing. And you got the right tool, get the job done quicker. If you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and share, and please leave a positive comment. Thank you.